Did you know that small style choices can add years to your appearance and even make you invisible in a crowd? Feeling good and being seen as an elegant woman is an art. Let's explore together the 8 style mistakes that might be aging you and making you disappear. Imagine being at a social event and beside you is an impeccable woman like Christine Lagarde or Glenn Close. Christine Lagarde, president of the European Central Bank, is known for her sophisticated style and authority in the financial world. Glenn Close, a renowned Hollywood actress with a brilliant career, is famous for her commanding presence and classic fashion sense. What's the first thing you notice? It's the confidence and elegance that shine through their clothes and attitudes. The bad news is that, without realizing it, you might be making slip-ups that erase that same confidence and elegance from your image. Simple mistakes like the wrong haircut or choosing colors that don't flatter your skin tone may seem like minor details, but they make a huge difference. And the worst part? We often don't even realize we're making these mistakes. Remember when Audrey Hepburn enchanted us with her timeless style in Breakfast at Tiffany's? It wasn't just the black dress, but the way she knew exactly what worked for her. Just like her, we can learn to avoid style pitfalls and highlight our best features. So, if you want to know how to fix these small yet significant mistakes and showcase your true elegance, stay here with me. And if you dream of traveling with the grace of a true lady, don't forget to check out my ebook, Travel Elegantly: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. The link is in the first pinned comment. And of course, if you want more tips to turn your elegance into something profitable, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and leave a like. Let's avoid these slip-ups together and shine like the elegant women we admire. 1. Choose the right glasses. Glasses can be a powerful accessory capable of rejuvenating or aging your appearance. Since I was 16, I have worn glasses not only out of necessity, but also for style. Even with a low prescription, I find that wearing the right glasses helps avoid headaches during long reading sessions or hours on the computer. You don't need to spend a fortune to find the perfect glasses. A beautiful frame, combined with quality lenses, can transform your look. Think of glasses as an extension of your personal style. Experiment with colors and shapes that highlight your personality. Vibrant colors or elegant designs can add a touch of modernity and sophistication to your daily look. For those who need to wear glasses all the time, the choice of frame is even more crucial. Models that complement your face shape and skin tone are ideal. For those who wear glasses only for reading, like me, there's more freedom to be bold. Elegant women like Meryl Streep and Diane Keaton are great examples of how glasses can be a style highlight. Meryl Streep, in her iconic roles in real life, always chooses frames that complement her classic and sophisticated look. Diane Keaton is known for her bold and original style, often complemented by thick-framed glasses that have become her trademark. Her creative and confident use of glasses shows how they can be a true fashion accessory. If we think of characters from movies and TV shows, Claire Underwood from House of Cards is a perfect example of how glasses can be used to highlight elegance and power. Claire, portrayed by Robin Wright, wears glasses that accentuate her firm posture and impeccable appearance, adding a touch of sophistication to her already flawless style. Believe me, a new pair of glasses can do wonders for your style and self-esteem. Don't be afraid to experiment. Bold models can completely transform your look, making you stand out in the crowd with confidence and elegance. 2. Invest in elegant shoes. When was the last time you bought a beautiful pair of shoes for yourself? Shoes can transform any casual look into something extraordinary. A well-chosen pair of shoes can make or break any outfit, and this is a universal truth. Playing with your shoes is a fun and effective way to refresh your wardrobe. Take a look at what you have now and see how you can incorporate new pairs to diversify your looks. Consider options that provide both comfort and style, like espadrilles for spring and summer, or flats with interesting patterns. Colorful shoes are an excellent way to add joy to your look. They can be the focal point of a more neutral outfit, bringing a sense of freshness and modernity. Moreover, a good pair of heels or low-heeled boots can revitalize your style for the warmer seasons. If you love wearing sandals, make sure to get a professional pedicure at least once a month. Well-groomed nails enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. And here's a secret. Moisturizing your hands every night before bed makes a huge difference in maintaining beautiful and healthy skin. Remember, investing in elegant and comfortable shoes is not just about aesthetics, but also about how you feel. Well-chosen shoes elevate any look and provide that final touch of elegance and sophistication. So, don't underestimate the power of a good pair of shoes, and take the opportunity to try new styles and colors that reflect your personality. 3. Avoid overly matched combinations. Wearing overly matched pieces can add years to your appearance. It used to be common to match your bag with the color of your shoes, or choose a belt that perfectly matched your bag. Who doesn't remember buying a blue bag and wanting the entire look to follow that color? However, times have changed and fashion has evolved. Today, matching a red bag with a red belt can seem outdated. Younger women and those in tune with modern trends avoid these excessive combinations, opting for a more natural and relaxed look. This doesn't mean you should abandon harmony in your outfit, but rather that you don't need to be so literal in matching colors. Try mixing and matching accessories creatively. A colorful bag can be the highlight of a neutral look, or a pair of vibrant shoes can complement an outfit with more subdued tones. The key is to balance without overdoing it. For example, if you're carrying a red bag, let your belt be in a neutral color like black or brown, which is always elegant. This approach modernizes your style, adding a touch of sophistication and freshness to your appearance. Moreover, it shows that you are effortlessly keeping up with current trends. Avoiding overly matched combinations is a simple way to look younger and more modern. Remember, fashion should be fun and reflect your personality. So don't be afraid to experiment and break old rules. Be creative and let your personal style shine with unexpected and harmonious combinations. 4. Avoid excessive black. Have you noticed how certain colors can directly influence our appearance? Black is a classic, beloved by many women, including myself. It's slimming, sophisticated, but as we age, excessive use of black can give us a more tired and aged look. Let's understand how to avoid this and continue wearing black in an elegant and modern way. Christine Lagarde and Glenn Close are examples of women who know how to use black to their advantage. They manage to incorporate this color in a way that enhances their confidence and authority without making them look dull. The secret lies in balancing black with other colors and textures. Consider your skin tone. Women with lighter skin can look washed out and tired when wearing black close to the face. To avoid this, mix black pieces with other vibrant and lively colors. For example, pair black pants with a colorful or patterned blouse, bringing a contrast that brightens the face and adds more life to the look. Animal prints, red, royal blue, or emerald green work wonders for the appearance. If you don't like vibrant colors, opt for softer neutrals like beige, light gray, navy, or brown. These tones maintain elegance and avoid the aging effect of black. Another tip is to wear black pieces with colorful accessories. A scarf, necklace, or earrings in brighter tones can completely transform the look and provide the necessary touch of freshness. If you love black and feel it makes you look pale, invest in a good self-tanning cream. This helps create a healthy contrast between your skin and the black clothing, avoiding a washed-out look. But use it sparingly to maintain a natural appearance. Let's think of Audrey Hepburn and her iconic black dress in Breakfast at Tiffany's. The key to elegance is in balance and self-awareness. If you love black, you don't need to abandon it, but rather use it wisely and stylishly. Another important point is wardrobe maintenance. Having basic black pieces like good trousers, black jeans, a pair of shoes, and a black bag is essential. These pieces are versatile and match everything. But avoid wearing black from head to toe. Varying is the key to keeping the look fresh and modern. Also, consider your accessories and makeup. A vibrant lipstick or makeup that highlights your eyes can break the monotony of black and bring more life to your face. And review your glasses. A stylish pair can be the missing detail to complement your look with sophistication. How do you usually wear black in your daily life? Have you tried these tips? Share in the comments. 5. Find the perfect balance in clothing. One trend I've never embraced is wearing overly loose clothing, which can make you look older and larger than you really are. Wearing very baggy pieces can hide your natural curves and create a sloppy appearance. On the other hand, overly tight clothes aren't the solution either. The secret lies in balance. Reevaluating the fit of your clothes is essential to highlight the best parts of your body. Many women opt for large pieces to hide parts they don't like, such as a protruding belly or wider hips. But there are simple tricks to address this without sacrificing style. For example, if you want to minimize the appearance of hips, avoid wearing white in that area, as white tends to visually enlarge. Instead, choose darker colors that help to conceal. Balancing proportions is crucial. If you opt for wide leg pants, choose a fabric that flows well and pairs with a more fitted top. Similarly, if you wear a flowing skirt, consider a fitted top or bodysuit to balance the look. Even if you're a curvy woman, don't be afraid to show off your curves. Dressing in a balanced manner highlights your silhouette and brings elegance to your look. A good example is using a belt to cinch your waist. Belts are magical accessories that can transform any outfit, creating a more defined and stylish appearance. The key is to find the fit that flatters your body. Think of clothes as a form of expression and choose pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. Adopting a style that combines balance and good taste will help you stand out in an elegant and modern way. 6. Invest in quality fabrics. With the abundance of fast fashion options available today, it can be tempting to buy trendy pieces of inferior quality. However, these low-quality clothes tend to have a short lifespan and become unwearable after a few washes, in addition to harming the environment. Instead, opt for high-quality fabrics that ensure durability and elegance. Fabrics such as linen, silk, and cotton are excellent choices. Linen and silk are known for their smooth drape and luxurious feel. High-quality cotton, especially organic cotton, allows the skin to breathe and provides comfort. When purchasing clothes, carefully evaluate the fabric and the appearance of the piece. Take items to natural light in the store to examine the color and quality of the material. Don't be fooled by fabrics that look good but are of low quality. If linen seems to wrinkle easily, opt for thicker versions or high-quality cotton. Wearing high-quality fabrics not only enhances your appearance, but also positively influences your attitude. When you wear something of superior quality, it is noticeable that your confidence and elegance increase. Thus, investing in good pieces is a smart way to highlight your elegance and stand out with sophistication. Moreover, there are practical benefits to choosing high-quality fabrics. For example, the durability of a well-cared-for silk or linen piece is incomparable to fast fashion options. Think of iconic characters like Charlotte York from Sex and the City, who charmed everyone with her classic style and choice of luxurious materials. Additionally, quality fabrics generally have better construction and fit, meaning they not only look better, but also feel better on your body. Another tip is to pay attention to the versatility of the pieces. A silk blouse can be paired with a pencil skirt for an office look, or with jeans for a chic, casual style. High-quality fabrics tend to be more adaptable to different occasions, offering excellent long-term value. Investing in quality fabrics also contributes to a more sustainable wardrobe. By choosing durable pieces, you reduce the need to constantly buy new clothes, which is a responsible and eco-friendly approach. Prioritizing high-quality fabrics is a way to ensure that you always present yourself elegantly and confidently while adopting more sustainable and conscious consumption practices. 7. Skincare and concealment techniques. As we age, loose skin, especially around the neck, becomes a common issue. It's a natural consequence of gravity that affects us all. Many women try to conceal this area with clothing, heavy makeup, and even turtlenecks. However, these techniques can have the opposite effect, drawing even more attention to the neck, the area you are trying to hide. Instead, use accessories that divert the focus. Colorful necklaces, for instance, are great for drawing attention to your style and away from areas you prefer to disguise. If you don't want to highlight your neck, you can opt for head accessories like hats or a beautiful pair of glasses, or wear tops in vibrant colors. These elements create a focal point in different areas, directing the gaze where you want it. Taking care of the skin on your neck and décolletage is essential. Avoid sun exposure and use sunscreen daily. The skin on the neck and hands is particularly vulnerable to sun damage, so protect these areas with extra care. Personally, I use sunscreen on my face all the time to shield myself from the sun's rays. Hydration is key as we age. Keeping the skin well hydrated helps combat sagging and improves overall appearance. Use moisturizers specifically designed for the neck and décolletage, and drink plenty of water to keep your skin nourished from the inside out. By adopting these practices and using accessories strategically, you will protect your skin and enhance your beauty in an elegant and sophisticated way. 8. The importance of proper underwear. Wearing the wrong underwear can completely ruin your elegance. Choosing undergarments that don't fit properly can create discomfort and ruin the appearance of your outfit. First, it is essential that your bra fits correctly. The straps should be positioned so they don't hurt your skin and provide the necessary support without slipping or digging into your back. The band should be firm but comfortable, and the cups should fit your breasts perfectly without causing discomfort or creating bulges. As for panties, opt for seamless models, especially when wearing thinner or fitted fabrics. Seamless panties prevent unwanted lines and provide a smooth finish around the hips, maintaining elegance and comfort. Remember, proper underwear enhances the appearance of your clothes and boosts your confidence and comfort throughout the day. Invest in quality pieces that fit your body well and provide the necessary support. This will make a huge difference in your posture and how you feel in any outfit. So, take the time to choose your undergarments carefully. A perfect fit can transform how your clothes drape over your body, elevating your elegance and ensuring you always feel confident and comfortable. To recap, we talked about the importance of avoiding excessive combinations, choosing proper underwear, investing in quality fabrics, using accessories to divert attention from problematic areas, and choosing the right glasses. These simple but powerful tips are key to maintaining your elegance and confidence in any situation. If you want to continue evolving and learning how elegance can be profitable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Your elegance and success go hand in hand, and here at Lucrative Elegance, we are committed to helping you achieve that. Now that you know how to avoid these style mistakes that can make you look older and invisible, let's take it a step further. If you care about looking younger and more radiant, you must watch the video 5 Beauty Tricks for Women in Their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. There, you'll discover beauty tricks that will complement what we've learned here today and further transform your appearance. And if you dream of being an elegant and sophisticated traveler, check out my ebook, Travel Elegantly: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. The link is in the first pinned comment. Which of these tips did you find most useful? Have you tried any of them? Leave your comment below and share your experiences. I'm curious to know. And don't forget to check out the next video because your journey to elegance and success is just beginning. See you there.